page 51 and 52 of your notes. Okay, so I will show you how to draw the the aqueous diagram for calcium chloride. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let me go. I'll take the pen out first. Testing. Okay, calcium chloride contains calcium atom and chloride atom. Chlorine atom. Sorry, chloride is the ion of chlorine. Okay, it's from chlorine. So calcium, from periodic table, the upper number here is 20. Chlorine, upper number here, or atomic number here is 17. So check the periodic table. So calcium, there's 20 electrons. So should be 282. Okay, please do one with a dot, the other one with a cross. Yeah, I try to, calcium is 282. Okay, whereas chlorine has 17 electrons, so it should be 287, right? 287. So we write down the other atom with a cross. Okay, we draw the electrons for the other atom with a cross. Okay, first this is a dot and cross diagram. So you need to do one dot, one cross. Some of you, when you submit me the work, give me all dots and all cross. Okay, so it's wrong. So what happened in the bonding? Now, calcium here has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. So you need to lose these 2 electrons in order to obtain the full electronic shell. So he will lose this electron to give to chlorine. Now, chlorine has 7 outermost electrons, but it only needs 1. Only needs 1. So, what happened to this? Okay, so you need to introduce another chlorine atom. Okay, sorry, my writing, my working is like that. Okay, oh sorry, 287 again, right? Great. Let me erase this. Okay, right. So it should be 287. Okay, so this one will go here and empty space. So your final drawing will be 1 calcium ion. Okay, recently calcium is 282. Now after losing 2 electrons, calcium ions will have a configuration of 288. Okay, just now is 2882, now it's 288. And since calcium lose 2 electrons, it should be having a charge of 2 plus. Now, how about chlorine? Now, chlorine, it will accept 1 electron, so and there are 2 of them. Sorry, you can write down the number 2 here. You can, right? Don't worry. Okay, and chlorine has a chlorine. I did draw it with a cross, so I must draw it with a cross here too, right? Just now chlorine has an electronic configuration of 287. Now it's 288. Okay, the last shell must have 1 dot here because to show that this electron is from calcium. Right, so now how do you write down the chemical formula? Now there are there's 1 calcium ion here and 2 calcium ion, chloride ion. Sorry, again, 1 calcium ion and 2 chloride ion. So to write down the formula should be Ca1 Cl see okay, right, Cl2, right? But however, in a chemical formula, you don't write down 1. You have to erase this. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, right. Let's move on to aluminium fluoride. Okay, so pause this video if you find the explanation a little bit fast. Okay, then you rewind again and play again. So aluminium. Okay, let's do aluminium. Okay, let me go up. Okay, right. Aluminium. Great. Why is this? Why is that? Okay, sorry. No, why? Okay, right. So for aluminium, okay, it is sorry, Al up the atomic number is 13. Fluoride comes from fluorine. Atomic number is yeah. Let me see first. 9. Okay, 9. Check the periodic table if you are not that sure. So aluminium, since it has 13 electrons, so it should be 2, 8. The electronic configuration should be 283. Let me get that first. Okay, for fluorine, since there are 9 electrons, the configuration will be 2, 7. Okay, again, we have the same problem like chlorine. Okay, aluminum has 3 outermost electrons to lose, so that becomes stable. And fluorine needs 1 more electron to make it 8. Right, so this aluminum will transfer 1 electron to this fluorine, and this fluorine is complete. So what's the next step? So the next step, need to introduce 2 fluorine atoms. Okay, I put here 2. Okay, I just write down the outermost shell. Okay, oops, sorry, fluorine outermost shell is 7. So this particular electron will move here, we transfer here, and the other electron will move here. Okay, right. As a result, aluminium lose 3 electron, become aluminium ion with a plus 3 charge, 3 plus charge. And the configuration will be 2 and 8. Okay, that's for aluminium. For fluorine, it becomes a fluoride ion. Okay, for anions, the name change. Okay, the anions, the name changes a bit. Okay, why is it like that? Well, in chemistry, sometimes things are a little bit weird. Okay, so 1 electron here, don't forget. And the charge is minus since it received 1 electron. And since there are 1, 2, 3 of them, you should write down 3 here. So what is the chemical formula then? Okay, the chemical formula. You have 1 aluminum ion, you have 3 fluorine ion. Okay, the formula will be AlF3. Okay, AlF3. So please take note. Okay, pause this video if you want to draw the answer for this page 51. Okay, let's move on to page 52. Okay, sodium oxide. Okay, sodium, if you look at the periodic table, it has proton number 11. Oxide is from oxygen, right? Okay, you have to make a guess, right? In this case, I must make a bit of guess. And oxygen atomic number is, or proton number is 8. So sodium should have configuration of 281. Let me see before I go to oxygen. Okay, however, oxygen will be 2, 6. Okay, figure out, okay, how many electrons need to move here and there. So for sodium, let me draw first. Okay, oxygen we indicate using a cross. Okay, 2 empty electrons for this. Okay, right. So, and sodium has 1 extra electron. Okay, right. So, what you need to do is, yeah, this electron need to be transferred out. Yes, correct. And yes, then you have sodium 2, 8. Okay, right. Let me see. Let me drop this. Okay, sodium lose 1 electron plus and finally it becomes 2, 8. So we are done. No, side. Okay, no. Okay, see, oxygen still have one more space here, so it's not done. So where can he get another electron? Yep. How? Yes, introduce another sodium. Okay, sodium has another one electron outermost shell. I only draw the outermost shell. Okay, so sometimes you have to add on the metal side, sometimes add on the non-metal side. Okay, so this one will okay, we add here. Okay, right, sorry, we go around by round. So you should have 2 sodium ion and 1 oxide ion, 2 minus. All right. So for oxygen, one is dot cross, the other one also dot cross. So this is sodium ion, sodium oxide. Okay. So sodium oxide, the formula will be, since there are 2 sodium, all right, need to write down Na and the 2 here subscript. And since there's 1 oxygen, O1. Cannot. No, cannot. You have to. Number 1 is there lah, but we don't show number 1. Let me do this. Okay, good. Now, aluminum oxide. Okay, this is the most challenging of all. Okay, right. Let me pause the video first if you want to copy. Okay, I mean, okay, right. And testing. Oops, sorry. Okay, aluminium 13, oxygen 8. Okay, how to solve this problem? Okay, so right, so aluminium 13 electron, right? So what you can do, you can write down 2, 8, 3, the electronic configuration, and oxygen is 2, 6. So how? Okay, how are you going to do this? This one can be quite messy, right? So let me draw the outermost electron first. Okay, so for this one, we just draw the outermost shell electron. Outermost shell. Don't draw the inner one. Okay. So aluminium got 3 electron. Okay. Aluminium got 3 outermost electron. Sorry. 3 outermost electron. While oxygen. Sorry. Oxygen has 6 outermost electron. Okay. Please indicate with a cross. In exam, we don't need you to show this working. Okay. This working is just for you to figure out. You can do this working in the separate piece of paper. So aluminium need to lose electron. Remember, the metal need to lose. Okay, so oxygen here has 2 space. Right. So you can give 1 here and give 1 here. Then oxygen settle. But however, aluminium here still got 1 more, right? Still got 1 more here. How? I said before just now, you can add atoms, right, to play around. So oxygen, okay, you add another oxygen now. Okay, remember oxygen always got 2 empty parts here. Okay, right. So what does this aluminum electron need to do? Just transfer 1 here. But this one how? Have one more electron here. Then we draw another aluminium. Okay, aluminium has 3 outermost electron. Okay, then this aluminium can fill up this one. Okay, this is done, all complete. But this aluminium still not complete. Then how? Okay, not then. Okay, right. Not then, we have to add another oxygen to complete the whole picture. Okay, right. So aluminium. Now they can match 2 and there's 2 space here. Okay, 2 outermost electron and 2 more place to put in. So 1 here and 1 here. Okay, so this is complex. This is a very complex So, so for aluminium, you will have two aluminium ion. Okay, but I need you to I need to remember, right? Since aluminium become 2, aluminium ion is L3 plus is 2, 8. Oxygen is 2 minus, right? Okay, it will be also 2, 8. Okay, right. So let me draw. So aluminium 2, okay, aluminium ion is 2, 8. Not aluminium, aluminium ion. The charge is, since it loses 3 electron, 3 plus. And there are 2 of them. For oxygen, 2, 6 originally, but for all oxygen atom, okay, it receives 2 electron from aluminium and become an oxide ion. And there are 3 of them. So to write down the formula will be Al2O3. Okay, right. So this is so please fill up your workbook, your notes, all right? And this is the answer. Okay, right. Have fun learning. Bye bye. Thank you.